This is Nick from Nestrs, and today we're going to show you how to install a Bauco architectural wall panel. So the reason we're installing this architectural panel is because we have an HVAC system behind this wall and we need to access the equipment as well as the filter. Now this is a higher end access panel. It costs us about 180 bucks, but it is going to be drywall with a metal frame, and it's actually spring loaded. So you're just going to see a little seam around the wall. You're going to actually paint over it and it's going to look like the wall itself essentially. So real quick, just to go over this product, as you can see, it ships in a solid wooden crate and is protected. I'm actually going to get out a square bit to take off this top piece here so we can see what we're working with. All the screws are flush along the drywall so that when we finish the wall, you're not going to have any protruding. All right, let's do a dry fit to see how it goes. Okay, So technically the installation is now complete. We just have to drywall, prime, and paint the panel. All right, so we have put a coat of primer and 2 coats of paint on here. I went ahead and installed the panel, and what do you guys think? Just so you guys see the functionality of this, it just snaps right out from the top, and then there's 2 clips that actually hold it from falling out. But really, it'll come right out for you to access whatever you are accessing, and then the base just sits right in here, and your 2 clips, and it springs right in. So that wraps up this episode with the Bauco 2 Plus panel. This is our 3rd time using this product, so I do like it a lot. I think it's definitely a higher end finish, and it's not, it's flush with the existing wall, so I think it's just a higher end, more sophisticated look. If you like what you saw, please tap that thumbs up button at the bottom there. Also leave any comments you have. We're happy to answer any questions regarding price point, any specific steps that we may have sped through or overlooked. Also just let us know if there's any projects that you're interested in us doing next, because we want to do all the projects. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.